Hi, I'm Chris from needlepointers.com, and today I'd like to introduce you to our new quilt pattern, the Panel Playtime Baby Quilt Mix and Match. This is a mix and match quilt pattern based off of our original free Woodland Friends quilt pattern. This pattern features a mix and match layout that can work with almost any quilt panel. It can also be used with border fabrics. You will find that this pattern is so flexible, quick, and easy to make that it will become your go-to pattern for panel quilts. It's not just for baby quilts, it can be used to make a lap-size quilt. The mix and match choices this pattern includes are, you can use 4 blocks or you can use 8 blocks. The original Woodland Friends quilt used a block panel which was cut up and put into the blocks. A lot of panels do not have a corresponding block panel, so we've given instructions and suggestions for other things that you can use in place of the block panel. For example, on this quilt, I used fabric prints and just cut them out and put them in the 8 blocks. For the fabric prints, you could also fussy cut fabric and place a featured portion of the fabric into the blocks. Another option is to fill the blocks with your favorite quilt block. We include tutorials for the sawtooth star block, pinwheel block, and sailboat block. You can use any other 8-inch block you would like. Molly used an iron and sweater block that they found on Etsy for this laundry cat quilt. For the sailboat quilt, we use different fabrics for the boat holes, and we changed the direction of the sails. This quilt pattern is available exclusively in our Etsy shop. Included in the Etsy pattern purchase are 4 printable PDF tutorials. The first PDF has a complete photo tutorial for making the quilt, which includes some ideas for the side blocks using either 4 or 8 blocks, instructions for adding the sashing and the borders around the quilt, along with instructions on how to adjust for your panel size. We also include suggestions for quilting and finishing your quilt. The other 3 PDFs are video and photo tutorials for creating the 8-inch sawtooth star, sailboat, and pinwheel blocks. These tutorials each have a video. They also include both traditional cutting instructions and AccuQuilt cutting instructions. I hope you enjoyed learning about our new Panel Playtime Baby Quilt Mix and Match pattern. To purchase this pattern, please visit our Etsy shop using the link in the description of this video. We will also have a link to our information and inspiration page for this quilt. If you make this quilt, we would love to feature a photo of it on our inspiration page. Submit a photo to us and we'll add it to the page. The Woodland Friends version of this quilt will always remain free on our website, but we think the features included in this Panel Playtime Baby Quilt make it worth the cost. Remember that every purchase you make through our links and on our Etsy shop helps us to keep bringing you free tutorials and projects. Like and share our videos, and if you're not a subscriber, subscribe to our channel so you won't miss future videos. Visit our website, needlepointers.com, for lots of free tutorials and projects. While you're there, make sure you sign up for our weekly newsletter so you won't miss new tutorials. Happy quilting!